Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Legal matter for Punjab and Haryana High Court and Chandigarh High Court and allied. ये आपकी जो लीगल मैटर है, कोई भी आपका कोर्ट हो, दिल्ली कोर्ट हो, सभी कोर्ट के लिए आपका इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर है. इसको हम डिटेल में डिक्टेट करेंगे हम @80 वर्ड पर मिनट. सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. श्री KTS Tulsi appearing on behalf of the wife has contended that the findings given by the trial court on issues numbers 1, 2 and 6 are unwarranted and be set aside. He also urged that the decision of the trial court on issue number 4 was not maintainable and liable to be set aside. Both the parties have confined their arguments to these issues and have not contested the findings given by the trial court on issues numbers 3 and 5. Now I take up the question covered jointly by the two interlinked issues numbers 1 and 2 as to whether the petition filed on behalf of the husband under section 13 of the Act is maintainable by virtue of subsection of section 13 of the Act. Either party to a marriage, whether solemnized before or after the commencement of this Act, may also present a petition for the dissolution of the marriage by decree of divorce on the ground that there has been no resumption of cohabitation as between the parties to the marriage for a period of 2 years or upwards after the passing of a decree for judicial separation in a proceeding to which these were parties. Prior to the amendment of section 13 in relation to the right of a party to file petition, the relevant provision as it stood is set out that any marriage solemnized whether before or after the commencement of this Act may on a petition presented by either the husband or the wife be dissolved by a decree of divorce on the ground that the other party has not resumed cohabitation for a space of 2 years or upwards after the passing of a decree for judicial separation against the party. Prior to the amendment which came into force on December 22, 1964, only that spouse in whose favor decree for judicial separation has been granted was entitled to maintain petitioner under section 13 of the Act for dissolution of marriage by divorce, but not the other spouse. Thus, before the date the amendment as introduced by subsection 1 bracket में A of section 13 become operative, the decree for judicial separation dated July 9, 1958 having been passed on the petition of wife in her favor, the husband had no locus standi to maintain petition under section 13 on the basis of that decree. Next para. The petitioner preferred a revision application bracket open criminal revision number 52 of 1989 bracket close against the above order of the judicial magistrate dated 22 for 1989, which was heard and disposed of by the 5th additional judicial commissioner by judgment date 9/1/1990, whereby the criminal revision application was dismissed, holding that the proceedings under 125 CRPC will continue even after the divorce. Therefore, the petitioner filed an application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure bracket open criminal miscellaneous number 4347 of 1990, which was heard and disposed of by a division bench of this court on 12/11/1990, allowing the parties to adduce evidence whereafter judicial magistrate would pass a final order in respect of claim of maintenance both in relation to the period prior to the date of divorce under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, as also after the date of divorce, and other sums which may be payable by the petitioner to the opposite party under section 3 of the Act. Thereafter, the judicial magistrate passed the impugned order against which this criminal revision number 1999 of 1994 was filed. Criminal revision number 74 of 1994 was filed by the petitioner wife against the order dated 19/2/1994 passed by the 3rd Judicial Commissioner Ranchi in Criminal Revision number 35 of 1992, which was preferred by her husband Asaf against the order passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Ranchi in miscellaneous case number 45 of 1988 on 27/11/1991 under section 3 of the Act. The additional Judicial Commission had set aside the order allowing rupees 500 per month as maintenance to the petitioner and had also reduced the sum of rupees 10,000 to rupees 5,000, which was allowed to the petitioner in lieu of articles given to her at the time of her marriage. Short history of that case is that petitioner had on 12/12/1988 filed an application under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for her as well as maintenance of her minor son Aslam, aged about 8 years, of inter alia that she was married with opposite party in 1973 according to Muslim rights, in which Dane Mayer was fixed at rupees 7,200 and ornaments, furniture, clothes, etc. worth rupees 10,000 were given to her. It was also claimed that a son Aslam was born out of her wedlock, but the opposite party neglected her and her son, and she was divorced by the opposite party on 12/4/1988. स्टूडेंट ये आपके 800 वर्ड्स है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए और ये आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आपकी PDF आपको मिल जाएगी।